Warning! Warning! The following video you are about to see contains graphic content and lip smacking. Viewer discretion is advised.
What's up, YouTube fam?
Hey, bitch.
It's your girl, Unapologetically Me, and today I am going to do a challenge that was first done by Get Lit with Mo. I have the link to the video in my description, and it's called the Bold BLT Sandwich. You must have bacon, lettuce, and tomato. Those are the must ingredients. Then, oh my God, guys, I've done strained the muscle at work, so if I be, doing stuff like that, that's because it hurts. I went to the doctor emergency room last night to make sure I was good, and I'm good. It's just that I have messed up strained a muscle in my intercostal region, which is the muscles between your ribs. But anyway, back to what I was saying. I'm going to go ahead and put my little Miracle Whip. I like Miracle Whip. I like mayonnaise too, but I don't have any, so this is so hard to get. I'm going to go ahead and use this. Can't get too much because I got a lot of ingredients to go on here. Okay. So we got the Miracle Whip on. First of all, let's just go ahead and, I didn't bring any paper towels. Let's just go ahead and jump into the video. Then I'm going to go get paper towels. And I think we should go on and stack this sandwich first, though. I didn't want to do that. But, okay. Oh my God, this hurts so bad when I use my right arm. Ugh. Okay, so we're going to go on and stack it. I toasted my bread just a little bit. And I'm going to go with how Mimi did hers. Put it over here. She put her lettuce on there first. Of course, I didn't get the plain romaine. I had to get the salad kind of lettuce. And, that's the kind of lettuce I'm using. So, I decided to go with the purple onion. But, like Kendra Gals, I am adding eggs to mine. So, we're going to go ahead. We got the lettuce. We're going to put the bacon on here. Across and then going that way. This is Wright's bacon. We're going to put a piece of cheese on here. Then we're going to put the 2 eggs. Oh my God, it hurts so bad, guys. Y'all just don't know when I breathe in. So, then we're going to put tomatoes. Oh, my other piece of cheese, I forgot. 2 pieces of cheese. Then tomatoes, potatoes. We're going to put those on. And purple onion. I'm a big fan of purple onion. You can't go wrong with it. I guess I can use this napkin right here. Let's get this extra plate. Gonna put the bread on here. Man, this is a big sandwich. What we're going to do is move this right on out of the way. I also got some lemonade over here for the drink. Oh my God, guys, I am so in so much pain that I can't hardly move. So, oh my God. Way to go, Miss Douglas. Now I got to clean the carpet.
Later.
Okay, guys, I apologize about that. I spilled the lemonade. Do better this time. Okay, guys, I apologize about that. I had a little mishap. I spilled my lemonade everywhere. but I got it taken care of. And let's just jump into the video. Let's go. Okay, like I said, I got bacon, lettuce, tomato, purple onion, and a couple of eggs on my sandwich. Get a good look at that, guys. I'm probably not going to be able to eat it all. But here's the first bite. I forgot the paper towels. Guys, I got a little bite of everything. But the top piece of bread. It's delicious. I like me a good BLT. The onion is very strong. But if you like onion, you'll love it. I feel like I'm too far back. I actually have my plate a little higher because I'm finna start trying to do ASMRs. I'm not finna start trying. I'm fixing to start doing ASMRs. Oh my God, y'all. I'm trying not to think about it, because the more I focus on it, the worse it feels. But, cheers. And that is the arm where it hurts too, guys. Oh my God, when I breathe in, it hurts. Get your bite. This is one of my favorite foods, so I was more than happy to do this challenge. More than happy. This is so good. So good. Bacon is really thick. Very thick. This is my first thing eating today and probably my last. I might nibble on some snacks, but oh my God, when I breathe in, it hurts. Like when I gotta, like that, it hurts. They say it could take up to 2 weeks to 2 months to heal. So good. So, so good, guys. I tried to find bigger bread, but I couldn't. They didn't have any. Not at Walmart. I should have went to Kroger's. Mm, 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 mm. So shout out to you, Mom. Get Live with Mom. It's a great sandwich. And it's a great challenge. I can't believe I spilled lemonade. And I'm gonna have to clean my carpet. Oh God, my rib really gonna be fucked up now. I am getting full, guys. For real. That's a lot of sandwich. A whole lot of sandwich. Well, very good mukbang. One more bite, guys. And that's gonna be it. That was a big bite. Mm. Y'all know I got extra reflux on trail. I can't eat no more. You guys can have it. I just can't eat no more. First of all, I can't enjoy it because every time I hurt myself on this side. Every time I lift my arms up to bite it, it just hurts. So, no, it was very good. And like I said, it was a great challenge. I love a good BLT sandwich. I like Candy Gals. I like eggs on mine too. So, but I went with 2 eggs. So, Guess the next person gonna have to add extra ingredients. With that being said, guys, this mukbang, well, when I get through chewing, this mukbang is officially over. I hope you guys enjoy watching me eat the food as much as I enjoy eating the food. I just appreciate you guys. Keep hitting that like button. I know I haven't been dropping videos as much, and that's because, you know, I've been busy working and, been having a lot of things to do. But I'm going to get more videos, content in for you guys so you can enjoy my video. I appreciate your support. You need it here. I love you guys. And I thank you for all that support and love that you're showing me. I see those like buttons going up. I have not yet forgot about the $100 cash giveaway. No, sorry, Bob. I have not forgotten. There will be 5 $20 winners. So, with that being said, make sure you like, share, and comment. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button, turning it from red to gray. Bash that bell. Make that sucker shake so you'll know every time I post a new video. And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? Like I said, don't forget to wash your hands, wear your mask, and stay safe because the variant is very real. Goodbye.